All right, I am back with another fan here. I happen to have here a new in box, another vented spinner, which I remember as a kid in a lot of like old stores. I would see this type of fan, whether it's this, which is a Christina Magic Machine ceiling fan. Here is the box. I'll try to hold it. Or here's the vertical picture of it. Magic Machine ceiling fan. It's one of your cheap spinners, but this was also at Restore. And I was contacted that this turned up, so yeah. I figured I'd see what this one did. So here is low. Oops, it's not plugged in. Plug it in. I just had to check something. Okay, there's low. Let's see what it does. Makes a little bit. Okay, 0.16 amps. So I always picture these, yeah. Kind of like some of the pictures of ceiling fans in unexpected places. That's a group, Facebook group, or sometimes cursed installs. But more so in unexpected places, this type of fan. I just remember they would just install these, like, say, in the corner out of a whole store, or maybe almost to like a back wall of something. In a lot of those downtown type shops, you just find this lonely fan in a corner, oftentimes a back corner out of nowhere, or sometimes the back room right in the entryway. You'll find it. It's one of those fans you'll just see in an odd place. I always get the vibes of that. So here's low, 18 watts, power factor of 1. I think this is a coil tap. This is not, which it is actually. I just opened it up to check the capacitor, and it's good. And it's a single value, so this is coil tap, so it's going to be a power factor of 1. All the way through. Here's medium. Okay, 30 watts. Almost a power factor of 1. And I'm going to bring it to high. Shakes a little bit. I managed to balance it. It was a lot worse than this on high, but... And the air, can't really feel anything back here, but if I go under it, it's a very gentle breeze. It's definitely what I think of as residential spinner motor. A lot of your builder fan type airflows. So let's see what does watts. 43 watts. Same power factor. Well, here is spin down. But this is just like a CEC Georgian. That's another I would find in those same kind of places installed. Or sometimes an SMC Laguna. Especially the later ones. So I'm going to set it to low and reverse it. So I'm going to do a reverse. See if the current draw is different, which I don't know if this uses a different coil or polarity, so we'll find out. Yeah, I don't think I'll keep this, so this will probably be for sale at Fanimation, which is coming up, I should say, August 6th on a Saturday. So right at Fanimation and the Fan Museum, we'll be having group trips. So let's do reverse. There it goes. Yep. Sometimes the reverse switch is a little wonky, but not this one. Yeah, minute difference. Seems to be drawing a tiny amount less in reverse. Okay, let's do medium. Yeah, slightly less. And high. 0.4, that's more closer, but still a minute. It was like 0.39 the other direction, but not much of a difference. I wasn't sure, but not as much of a difference as I thought. It's a minute difference. Okay. Make sure it's engaged. Okay. All right. Well, let's see what this can do on the decade box. I don't expect that I can use many controls. We'll see if I can even use a 3-speed capacitor-based wall control. But we'll find out. Let's see where it starts. 1. Oh, almost. Dang. 2. Might be a little stiff. Here's 3. If 3's gonna go. Sometimes bearings are a little stiff with new in box stuff. Just a minute stiff bearings, so. 4. So this is 3 microfarads, and I'm already close to a factory low. Let's see what 4 is. Okay, so 4 is a little higher than the factory low. So I might actually, there is a low control that a Hunter control, I believe, has 3, then maybe 6 and 9, something like that, maybe 3. And let's see, here is 5. Sometimes 3 and 6. So 5 is close to medium already. Here is 6. 6 is right on with medium. So I'm not sure if there's a 3-speed that is 3 and 6. You might have to create custom values on this if there isn't. I'm not really sure. You never know what's out there for wall controls. There's all different kinds of value combinations, but this is 6. Here is 7, 8, 9. I think I'm right at high, and 10 might go over. We'll see. That's 10. Nope, I guessed wrong. Let's see if 11 goes over. No, that's right there. Let's hit the high switch. And I'm right there. I am right there with high. Well, let's see if 12 goes over. Starts to. But let's see. I'm going to keep going and see if I hit any resonant frequency. Yes, I kind of do. But not really drastically, so... Okay. Yeah, not drastically over, but... Let's try solid state variable. See if this is noisy. Because I know some of these cheaper motors tend to be. Ah, so far. Wow, impressive. That is silent. Starting to hear air whipping. But on low, that is silent, or almost silent. It's like my blender fan on a solid state. 'Cause right now my bedroom fan is a K63 3-blade blender fan, and I am using a solid state variable with that, and I cannot believe how close to silent that is. Okay. Let's see, 0 to high. Let's see if there's an inrush or not. Yes, there is somewhat of an inrush. There is, you could say a large inrush, as in a few hundredths. More than just maybe like one integer or one increment above. So, but that's really all I have for this Christina Magic Machine fan, is what they call it, a Magic Machine ceiling fan. So I'll be back with some more fans, so keep watching and subscribing.